Today we're gonna do a bunch of stuff to this, and we're gonna glue the wings on this. The last video I did a bunch of stuff. I cut the wings that are currently not here. I also, finessed a little bit this central part and cut the frets. And today I want to finalize the fretboard. That means radius the fretboard, put in the frets dot, put in the frets, and then I want to do two more things. One is hollow the headstock, and two is glue the wings on this, so that I can have something that resembles an actual instrument, and I can think of the next step on this, because I have a couple of decisions to make, but that will be seen on the next episode, especially for the bridge. Now, let's start by reducing this thing. Now, I have two options for the fingerboard. One is to make the radius like a continuous radius, which is fine. It's what you will find in an actual classical violin. The other one, which I think, it will be slightly easier on my side, and also I think will look better here. It's gonna be make a compound radius. That will mean that here the radius will be tighter here at the nut than at the end of the fingerboard. Now, if I do the compound radius, means that at the edge, the fingerboard will have the same width, which I like a lot. If I make this at the same radius, I will have to take a little bit more material here at the end of the fingerboard than here, and I don't wanna. I like this thing to be symmetric, and it's my problem, but it will be easier for me, and also it will look good. So let's do that. For starter, I need this. I'm gonna start on one side, and I'm gonna remove here the material with quite an aggressive angle, actually. And now, before I move to follow the headstock and glue the wings, it's finally time to put the frets. But there is just one slightly problem. The built-in radius on these frets is way too shallow for the fingerboard, and I don't have a fret radius in jig. So, a little disclaimer, if you have a weak stomach, it's better to look away. Just know that I didn't have any other choice. It's gonna be brutal. I do have the wings attached. This started to look like a violin, like a proper violin. Proper. But that was actually a lot of work. I'm happy with the result. Now, I think that I will see you in the next episode where I'm going to do, well, it's gonna be a surprise. But it's gonna be fun. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for the comments and engage. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.